when we were on site there, like there's some massive trees in there. Like there's
Yes.
cedars, there's big poplars.
Yeah, there's a big, this is a huge this is a hawthorn, a massive hawthorn.
Okay. Yeah,
And
and like,
then
and so like there, I think there's even a couple of birch in there that I can see.
there is, yeah, and there's some trembling elms in there. They're all like, water trees, like wet trees.
Which is really interesting because if you go like 100 feet out, like you're on, basically the surface of Mars, like it's super
Totally
dry.
dry.
And
Yeah,
so, but
atmosphere.
all of those indicators like tell me that like there is reliable water flows that are coming through that valley. That it's like the trees provide like a 100-year kind of pattern of the water flow, that it's reliable. And then your observation that okay, it's 40,000 liters a week, plus the fact that there's been a well there, and then you dug that pit even in, it would have been July or late
June,
and there was still a bit of water on the trench there. Those are all really good signs, and that there's a good chance of catching a lot of water there.